Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, as you already read by the thumbnail and by the title, I'm gonna be doing a video which is if I lost all of my makeup products, I'd buy this first. That is a trend that was going on YouTube somewhat a year ago into 2023, wherein people were showing products that hypothetically, if the situation arises where I have lost all of my makeup collection, these are the makeup products that I will go and buy first. Because what trend to chala gaya, but recently I think today only Nidhi Katiyar posted the same video, and then I was like, oh, it is very very interesting and I need to make something like that. So here I am making the video. Without any further ado, let's begin. No particular order, let's start. First product is, I think, something that I've recently purchased, and I think I cannot live without this product, which is the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, natural makeup fixer, which is with aloe vera and with vitamin E. Let me tell you, ये पूरा packaging में है, and I think I have been using this product since just 2 weeks. Okay, let me be honest. But ये इतना अच्छा है, this is so affordable, plus it works really good. So I think this is something that I really need in my makeup collection. अगर जितने भी बार में ख़त्म हो जाता है, मैं इसे repurchase करती रहूँगी, because this is something I really like. Spray it. Spray is also very fine. And इसमें एलो वेरा का ही स्मेल आता है, which is very refreshing. It's not very strong, not very mild, somewhere in the medium. So मुझे नहीं लगता इसके fragrance से किसी को कुछ तकलीफ हो सकती है. Second, let's go to concealers. Now, it was very difficult for me to choose a concealer, एक ही concealer that I'll go and buy first, because I can't buy 3 concealers at a time, right? I had 3 options by myself that I love. Okay, but I have made up my mind and I have chose one which I will go and buy first, which is going to be this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is how it looks like. Why? Because ये full coverage है, ये मेरे foundation का काम भी करता है और ये concealer का काम भी करता है. अगर मुझे I have to do spot correcting तो भी मैं इसे use कर सकती हूँ. This is something a whole in a package. This is not just a concealer, but this is something that takes all of my base. If I want to go somewhere और अगर मैं सिर्फ इसे लेके जा रही हूँ तो मेरा पूरा बेस का काम हो जाता है. If I lost my makeup collection, I would definitely go and buy that first. बारी आती है of my favorite makeup product, which is mascara, and I think you guys have guessed it already. It's going to be the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. जब से I have purchased this, I have been loving it left, right and center. I've been using it left, right and center actually. I already finished mascara tube already, जो मैंने मेरे makeup empties में भी दिखाई थी. उसके बाद I repurchased this and now it is over. As you can see, ये भी पूरा का पूरा खत्म हो चुका है. I'm using a different concealer now, but I think if मेरा makeup collection गायब हो जाता है, I think this is something that I would really go and buy first, because it gives you a effect like a falsies. Okay, ऐसा लगता है कि आपने falsies wear कर रखे है, which is absolutely incredible. उसके बाद बारी आती है again something my favorite, which is lip balm. Okay, and obviously it's none other than the Laneige lip sleeping mask. आप इसकी हालत देख सकते हो, ये मेरी I don't know कितनी ट्यूब है, and it's already going to get over. इतनी तो already ख़त्म हो चुकी है, and और ख़त्म भी हो जाएगी. I don't know how much tubes मैं इसे ख़त्म करती हूँ और repurchase करती रहती हूँ. I really don't have the count now, because जब ख़त्म हो जाती है मैं इसे repurchase कर लेती हूँ, because I can't live without. मैंने बहुत सारे और lip balms try किए हैं. I've already made a video on that. बट Laneige lip balm के जैसा कुछ आज तक मुझे नहीं मिला जो मुझे रात में वो हाइड्रेशन, वो प्लम्पनेस, वो लिप्स में वो जान प्रोवाइड करता है. एंड आई थिंक जब मैं ये लिप बाम लगाती हूँ तो मेरे लिप्स काफ़ी सॉफ्ट जाते हैं. एंड आई थिंक somewhere down the line you guys agree that Laneige has no replacement, and I think yes, if I lost my makeup collection, I would definitely go and buy this. Next बारी आती है blush की. Now if I go to talk about the blush, ये कुछ recent वाला है, मतलब 5-6 महीने पुराना ही है. which is this Pack X Sara Dewy Liquid Blush. Now, oh my god, blush की बात करूँ, इसके जैसा blush मैंने आज तक कभी यूज़ नहीं किया. अभी होंगे मार्केट में, बट मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया है. एंड दिस इज समथिंग विच इज ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड बाय मी. तो मुझे पता है कि ऑलरेडी मेरे लिए काफ़ी अच्छा वर्क कर रहा है. सो आई डेफिनेटली गो एंड परचेज दिस, बिकॉज ये इतना ड्यूवीनेस देता है आपके चीक्स पे, वो फ्लश ऑफ कलर दे देता है. इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी टू ब्लेंड. इट हैज अ चंकी एप्लीकेटर, डो फुट एप्लीकेटर. Sara and Pack has done an absolute amazing job with it. And I think if I go with that blush thingy, if I lost my makeup collection, this is going to be the one for sure. Blush, I've told you. Now I can't miss on the palette, okay? Just because I've showed you like different blush, I won't miss this product. I would definitely go ahead and buy the Sugar Contour de Force face palette. I know I already have a blush already, but I think this is something I cannot miss. I'm in a hurry and I want to go somewhere and reach like in very very early. This comes in really handy because it's a powder blush, so it's very very easy to apply. Blending and all that becomes really easy with that. I do not use contour so much, but I use a highlighter and blush from this palette. And I think though blush hona, though highlighter hona is really really good. One is a powder blush, one is a liquid blush. That becomes really really easy. And this palette is never going to be out of my makeup collection ever. Like, I love this so much. Let's talk about something that can make your makeup look like super flawless and super super soft. I'm talking about the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Now, मैं इस पे ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो बना चुकी हूँ, एंड आई थिंक दिस हैज़ बीन अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर मी दैट has worked so good in the high-end luxury category. I have not really purchased so many products from like luxury and high-end category. I always go for the affordable ranges, but this was something that I was contemplating whether I should not buy, because this was really really expensive. But this has changed my makeup game like forever. Like, इतना change कर दिया है. I think after using this product, I think no product impresses me like this one. कोई primer मुझे इतना impress नहीं करता है जितना ये कर रहा है. This is not a primer. This actually can be used as a moisturizer, plus it can be used as a primer too. And I think I'm loving it both the ways, and I really like it. मतलब इसको लगाने के बाद वो glowiness आ जाता है. वो if you have open pores and problem like that, this will help you get through it for sure. I have never seen such a magical product in my life. अगर आपके चेहरे पे काफ़ी पिगमेंटेशन है या काफ़ी रफनेस है, एंड उसके वजह से इफ़ योर मेकअप इज गेटिंग रफ एंड इज गेटिंग ड्राइड अप रियली easily and it's not looking good, then I think this product is something that you can definitely use. Obviously you should change your skincare and try to make your skin better. Something you can do in the skincare part, but if I go to say कि अगर आपको आपका मेकअप फ्लॉलेस बनाना है और काफ़ी वो एक स्मूथ कैनवस की तरह बनाना है, तो आई थिंक दिस प्रोडक्ट विल रियली रियली हेल्प यू. आई नो इट्स एक्सपेंसिव, बट आई थिंक इट्स ऑल वर्थ द हाइप, एंड आई वुड गो एंड परचेस इट राइट अवे. नाउ, अगर हमने बात प्राइमर की कर ही ली है, तो ये काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट है, आई नो. बट अगर मुझे अफोर्डेबल ऑप्शन में एक वेरी वेरी सिंपल पोर मिनिमाइजिंग प्राइमर चाहिए, तो आई वुड गो फॉर द इनसाइड प्राइम प्रोटेक्ट्स मॉइस्चराइजिंग वाला प्राइमर. रियली लाइक इट. Like, I really like it. It's the best pore minimizing primer I've used. But मतलब when you apply it on your T-zone area, मेरा T-zone area काफ़ी oily रहता है, and I have pores problem. So whenever I use the primer on this side, it gives me a blurry smooth canvas, a blurry smooth effect जिस पे foundation or any other makeup products blend on super easily. And I think it's the best product in an affordable category, and आप इसे repurchase करते रह सकते हो because it's an affordable category. So yeah, do check that out. And now that we have talked about the primer, let's talk about something that I will firstly go and purchase in the makeup removing category, because obviously it's very very important at the end of the day that you remove your makeup and then sleep. So what the product that I will be first going and buying in that category would be the Quench Mon Cherry Dirt Dissolving Cleansing Balm. This is how it looks like. This is the travel version. If you haven't watched that haul yet, जिसमें मैंने ये I've purchased this, go ahead and buy. This is all packed, as you can see, because I'm using the bigger tub. Wait, let me show you. So this is the bigger tube, guys, and I have been using it. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बस बता रही हूँ. This is opened, as you can see, and I'm using it. ठीक है, तो एक मैंने like I've purchased recently only the larger tube, and this is like a smaller that I got free travel size, so I'll be using this when I'm traveling. I think this is the best cleansing balm I've ever used. मैं पहले Garnier का micellar water use करती थी. That is the best in a micellar water category. Heard कि cleansing balm काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं. They really do the double cleansing work really nicely. So I think this is something that really suits my skin. Doesn't dry out my skin. Because मेरा बस T-zone area oily रहता है. बाकी सारा मेरा area अभी dry होने लग गया है. Doesn't really dry out my face. So I think that's the best part about this. And if you talk about the smell, I really like the smell. इसमें smell है, इसमें fragrance है, and but I really like the smell. पूरा emulsify कर देता है सारे makeup को, and it's super easy. I think it's perfect for someone who wears waterproof makeup daily. This cleansing balm can really be a good option for you. Will definitely buy this. Obviously, without eyeliner, a makeup collection isn't complete. Eyeliner today, I will be first going and buying this Maybelline the Colossal Liner, because obviously this is a pen style eyeliner, and my liquid eyeliner se zyada I would go ahead and buy this because it's very easy to apply. Doesn't really like dries up really easily, so smudging budging का कुछ part नहीं रहता है. Very easy to apply. Again, I'm telling it, I really like this, so I will definitely go and purchase this. Next, we'll go on to something doing your makeup. When you're doing your makeup, I've recently discovered that this thing is really important in just your whole structure of your face, which is doing eyebrows. So I think abhi se eyebrows is going to be really an important option for me. So the product that I'll be going fast and buying in an eyebrow product will be this Swiss Beauty Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil. This is how it looks like. इसके एक साइड पे आपको ये प्रोडक्ट मिल जाता है, and on the other side you get a spoolie. So I think when it comes to this eyebrow pencil, I am loving this. This is in the shade 03 Medium Brown and brown eyebrow, and this is how it looks like. I think it's really natural. मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि कुछ fake हुआ है. I really like this eyebrow product, and I think I will be going and firstly buying that. And obviously मैंने आँखों में भी आज eyeliner की जगह I've used this eyebrow pencil. I do that a couple of times. It gives a really nice effect. Also, the highlighter that I've used on my eyes today is from that Sugar palette, and I think it's a really good one. So yeah, let's talk about makeup brushes, because obviously अगर आप makeup कर रहे हो तो makeup brushes are also really important. So for that, first makeup brush that I think मैं भाग के उसे order करूँगी is going to be this Cuffs and Lashes makeup brush. This is the F016 brush, which is like a slanted one, and ये काफ़ी thick है. It's like not fluffy at all. This is like stiff thick brush which is slanted. So इससे आप अपना foundation blend कर सकते हो, concealer कर सकते हो, blush लगा सकते हो, even you can contour with this, even you can highlight with this as well. I have done that. I think this is a multi-purpose brush for me. I think I got it around 2022 or 2023. I am not sure, but मैंने इसे एक साल तो हो ही गया होगा इस brush को, and it's still going strong. So I think this is a really nice brush, and I think I really like it. इसमें भाग के इसे order place करूँगी because this is only available online. So either Cuffs and Lashes के website से या purple.com से. Yeah, I will go ahead and order this. The next brush, which is going to be for eyes. अगर मेरे पास बस एक face brush होगा और एक eye brush होगा, then also I will be good to go. Second brush is again from Cuffs and Lashes. Is their E005 a brush. This is an eye shadow blending brush. And I think this is also really great one. इससे आप blend कर सकते हो, pack कर सकते हो, काफ़ी अच्छी blending हो जाती है. जो भी basic eye shadow blending आपको लगती है, this does it very nicely. So I think yeah, I'll be running and getting this for definitely. That's done. Only lipsticks are remaining. I have 4 lipsticks that I will go and buy एकदम like पहले, because these are like my most everyday used lipsticks. First is going to be the most used shade, my number 1 everyday shade, the Lakme 95 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color, and this is obviously in the shade Blush Velvet. This is such a beautiful shade. I will swatch it for you right now. लुक एट दैट शेड. मुझे ये शेड काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है. दिस इज अ रियली नाइस मूवी पिंकी न्यूडी कलर एंड आई थिंक दिस इज परफेक्ट फॉर एवरीडे सॉर्ट ऑफ अ सिचुएशन फॉर लाइक फेयर टू मीडियम स्किन टोन. पहली बार तो सबको पता है कि पहली बार तो मैं जाके इसे लूंगी ही अगर आई लॉस्ट ऑल ऑफ माई मेकअप कलेक्शन. So yeah, this is the first lipstick. Lipstick is from this Nykaa liquid lipstick, matte to last liquid lipstick. I guess this is the Nykaa matte to last liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi. ये मैंने अभी recently purchase किया हुआ shade है. Again I've removed the swatch with the help of this. I'm showing you कि इतना अच्छे से work करता है. So let me give you a swatch of the Madras Kapi. Okay, then this is how the shade Madras Kapi looks like. I think मेरे लिए ये काफ़ी अच्छा ब्राउन कलर है, ब्राउन न्यूड कलर है और ये डेफिनेटली लाइट ब्राउन नहीं है, डार्क ब्राउन है या मीडियम ब्राउन बोल सकते हो. One more shade I have in this, which is Chai, which is like a very dark brown nude color, which is like a brown nude color only. It's not nude, that was a brown color, dark brown, but it's kind of a brown nude color. And ये everyday sort of situations में मेरे लिए perfectly work करता है. Perfect for me. So this is the second one. Third one is going to be from the Love Earth Liquid Mousse Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pink Colada. ये इतना ब्यूटीफुल शेड है और ये इतनी जल्दी ख़त्म होने वाला है. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली माई फर्स्ट ड्यूब, बट जिस रेशियो से मैं इसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जिस स्पीड से मैं इसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ, आई थिंक दिस गोना गेट ओवर रियली सून. दिस इज़ अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल कलर, अगेन वेरी वेरी सूटेबल फॉर एवरीडे यूज एंड आई थिंक आई लव दिस. मतलब एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट शेड ऑफ माइन. अगर आप मेरे स्किन टोन से हो या थोड़े से डार्क भी हो ना, तो भी आपको ये शेड काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा. लुक एट दैट शेड. आई रियली लाइक. आई रियली डोंट नो व्हाई आर पीपल नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस शेड दैट मच. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस क्लेंजिंग बाम गाइस. मैं अभी से इतना यूज़ कर रही हूँ, मैं सारी लिपस्टिक्स उसे ही निकाल रही हूँ एंड आई थिंक इट्स रियली रियली ईजी. Okay, so the last lipstick and the last product in this video is going to be from My Glam. This is the Lit Creamy Matte Lipsticks and this is going to be in the shade Manhattan. मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करी हूँ, but this is like a really nice red color, sort of a red color. बट मेरे लिए ये इतना डार्क नहीं है. आई अप्लाई. दिस इज अ क्रीमी मैट लिपस्टिक. अगर आप इसे इतना भी टच करो तो इसका इतना पिगमेंटेशन नजर आता है आपके लिप्स पे. सो आई जस्ट डैब इट ऑन माई लिप्स एंड आई एम गुड टू गो. बिकॉज ऑल्सो डेफिनेटली गो एंड परचेज दिस. आई फॉरगॉट वन मेन प्रोडक्ट जो मैं सब प्रोडक्ट से पहले जाके परचेस करूंगी, विच इज अ फाउंडेशन. मैं उसे पूरी तरीके से भूल गई. आई डोंट नो हाउ. दिस हैज बीन सिटिंग हियर ऑल द टाइम, but I'll be talking about that. So Maybelline का ये Lumi Matte Foundation. Again, this is recently launched, but I am loving this product so much. This gives you that soft Lumi matte sort of finish on your face, which is absolute like very nice it looks, and I think it's perfect for everyday use as well because this foundation gives you a everyday to medium light coverage. इसका coverage इतना नहीं है. It's perfect for everyday use and I think the Lumi matte word is perfect for this because वो काफ़ी luminous finish देता है which is perfect for everyday use. और ऐसा dewy face आपका लगता है इसको लगाने के बाद. When you apply this and you go with the Pack Exara blush, आपका face काफ़ी highlighty हो जाता है. मतलब अच्छा खासा soft and glowy लगने लग जाता है. And I think I really like that effect. So I would definitely go and buy this first. This is in the shade 128. I think I don't know कैसे इसको भूल गई. This has been sitting around as I said from the start. But definitely इसको ऐसा मत समझना कि मैं buy नहीं करूँगी. I will definitely go and purchase this first. Just दिखाना सब products मैं भूल गई, इतने सारे products थे. No, इसके साथ वीडियो भी काफ़ी लंबा हो चुका है. So I will end this video right here. So these are all of the products I will go and buy first. And that's pretty much it for my video today. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. And अगर आप ढूंढ रहे थे किसी category में कोई अच्छा प्रोडक्ट और अगर आपने कोई कैच कर लिया होगा इस वीडियो में से और आई हैव लाइक कोई आपको पसंद आया होगा तो लिंक्स विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो और एल्स द डिटेल्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट सो दैट यू कैन सर्च इट. so that you can search by yourself. And I think I'll take your leave now because video already lamba ho chuka hai and I don't want to bore you more. So if you like this video, then don't fail to give this video a biggest possible thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section कि आपको और कौन से videos देखना पसंद होगा. Please don't fail to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And yeah, I will see you in my next video super soon. Until then, bye. Take care.